What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 unique men's fragrances. Starting things off, we've got Adidas Ice Dive. Just fucking kidding, this thing smells like everything on the market. If you want to smell unique, don't wear Ice Dive. Although, for $9, it isn't bad. The real fragrance? Jute Wow for him. This smells like vanilla, it smells like amber, performs really well, and it's also quite unique. I would describe it as a silky, delicate men's fragrance, which isn't common amongst men's fragrances. You can find it for about $50 Australian on eBay or at Priceline. I've seen this on clearance as low as $30, so maybe wait till your Priceline or Chemist Warehouse has a bunch of these on clearance because they do not sell well, at least not where I'm from. Highly recommended if you're after a unique men's fragrance. I'd be remiss not to mention the fact that although it isn't a listed note, this has some sort of boozy vibe to it. Whether it's rum or whiskey, I'm not quite sure, but it isn't a listed note on the official website or on Fragrantica. So if you're after a versatile, boozy men's fragrance, definitely check this one out. The intense version is awesome as well. Next up, Roberto Cavalli's Wermor. This one smells like violet, honey, tobacco and wood. It's the perfect cold weather going out men's fragrance that you can find for under $50 Australian. The flankers in the series, Deep Desire and Silver Essence, are also awesome scents, worth checking out. But Wermor can be found at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse and on eBay for less than $50 Australian. It performs really well and I think it smells unlike anything else on the market. It's classy, it's sophisticated, definitely worth the money that you pay for it. And finally, we've got Versace's The Dreamer. If you're after a tobacco scent that smells unique and unlike any other tobacco scent on the market, definitely check out Versace's The Dreamer. You can find it for around about $40 Australian. At my local Chemist Warehouse it sells for about $40. What I like about it is that it's got a huge tobacco note, but it's not dusty or dry. It's sort of more of a tobacco leaf or a white floral sort of take on tobacco. It smells fantastic. It's both masculine and feminine, and I can see anybody pulling this off. It's versatile, which is sort of uncommon for a tobacco scent because they're generally more cold weather fragrances. And for the price, what you get is really high quality. I've heard that it's been reformulated, but to my nose and the 2 bottles that I've had, they smell exactly the same and the performance is still fantastic. All 3 of these fragrances are worth checking out if you haven't already, especially when you consider the fact that all 3 of them can be found regularly for under $50 Australian. If you've ever worn any of these before, let me know in the comments below as I love hearing from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel and I'll catch you guys around.